I just want to clean this look up a little. All of this is looking good, but I want this group to have some sort of border so you can really see the differentiation. And then we can possibly add some roundness. So let's go do that. I'm going to click on group listing, which is the parent group that holds all of this text as well as the image. On there, I'm going to add 8 pixels of border roundness, as well as the shadow style of type outset with 0 horizontal offset, 0 vertical offset, 4 pixel blur radius. And then we can choose our blue color in 10% opacity. Now I also want to go on our image, and this will have pointed corners, but I want to make it round to match with the roundness of the group. So I'm going to click define each border independently, and the top left and the top right are going to have 8 pixels of border roundness. We are going to preview this, and it's looking really nice, almost like these groups are levitating off the page slightly, and we see those rounded corners, and I'm happy with it. One thing I just want to mention is some of the next things that you would need to learn that this course did not cover. We want to learn about plugins. Bubble gives us this option to add plugins, so if there's additional functionality or elements that aren't already provided with Bubble that we want to add to our application, we can do that. So I can install this chart element, and I see it over here, and while it wasn't previously there, I can now display some data in a chart. Additionally, also in this plugins area is this API connector. APIs will be the next step. It allows us to communicate with other applications, for other applications to communicate with ours, and for us to get data and post data from different sources. And this is where we would connect that. We can add an API call all through this Bubble API connector plugin. But as it stands, you have the skill sets to make a wide variety of applications. When you want to build an application, if there are elements and functionality that you want to include that I haven't mentioned in this video, the Bubble forum is a great place. People here are super responsive and super helpful, and most of the time they answer your question within the first hour of posting. I also have my YouTube channel at Original Strokes, where I include short videos about certain elements in Bubble. So this is almost a step-by-step guide on how to build a dropdown or how to filter by tags, and this can be a great resource. Thank you for watching this course. I'm so glad you found it and completed it, and I promise these skills will prove to be invaluable.